Big waves and big money. La Jolla, California. We will show you how this dolphin's epic struggle to save her baby ends. So please comment and subscribe. La Jolla, a place where amazing people can meet each other. And one of the most expensive shorelines in the world. But it does not cost money to play here. To try and resuscitate her baby, this mother pushes her underwater to circulate water through the gills for oxygen. Please subscribe to see the end in next week's video.